Hello children, how are you? Very good morning. This is Amita. Today's session types of feeder. In previous session already discussed about birds. Here only discuss about types of feeders. So let's start. Before start this topic, please I will request to all subscribe, like and more share and press red button for upcoming notification. So let's start. Types of feeder. We already know the birds is the only animals that have a feeders. How can define feeders? A bird's body is covered with feathers. Different colors of feathers found in bird's body. Different birds have a feathers of different colors. Birds have mainly three types of feathers: flight feathers, down feathers, and body feathers. So let's start. Types of feeders. This topic taken from CBSE pattern class grade 3rd and 4th. Okay, this is a very important topic, types of feeders, and very interesting topic. So let's start. Birds is the only animals that have feeders. You know that birds bird is a only animals that have feathers. Have feathers. Okay, birds have only animals that have feathers. Here, this is a bird. You can see on your screen, this is a bird. Okay. This is a bird. Bird has only feathers. This is a feathers. Okay. Covered with whole body. You can see on your screen, this is a feathers. You can see on your screen, this is a feathers. Birds have a only feathers. Okay, this only feathers covered with. Birds have a only animals covered with body with feathers. Okay, a bird's body covered with feathers. Here, a bird's body is covered with feathers. A bird's body covered with feathers. This is a feathers. This is a beak, claws. Okay. This is a birds. You can see very easy way in park, garden, in our home balcony. Okay, the many types of birds found in our nature. Okay, so birds is the only animals that have feathers. A bird's body is covered with feathers. This is a very beautiful creature in our environment, in our nature. Birds is the only animals. They makes a beautiful creature in our environment. So bird's body is covered with feather. Okay, different birds have a feathers of different colors. Okay, different birds of feathers of different colors. Of feathers, different colors. So many colors. The feathers found in so many colors of feathers found in bird's body. So different birds have a different colors of feathers. Okay. So different birds of feather of different colors. Okay, so types of feathers, three types of feathers found in birds. Okay, here three types of feathers, three types of feathers found in birds. First flight feathers. Second, down feathers. And third, body feathers. And third, body feathers. Okay. So, bird is the only animals that have feathers. Different birds have a different colors of feathers. Okay, three types of feathers found in birds: flight feathers, down feathers, and body feathers. So, the feather is a a bird's body covered with feathers. Okay, a bird's body is only animals. A bird's body is covered with feather. Bird's body covered with feathers. Okay, so we will end this video here. I will request to all, please subscribe, like and more, share and press red button for upcoming notification for this series: flight feathers, down feathers and body feathers. So take care. Goodbye.